And I'd also left a message, and I'd shared that I would leave a message on the community point of view and stuff like that. So, I'm presently located in Delhi NCR, and my community, the concern for me is community dogs and pets, and my concern is also flora, architecture, beautification, climate concern, and stuff like that. So each time I go with an idea or I share an idea online or offline, I hear this what a lot of people are used to sharing. When people go with ideas and stuff, we don't have the funding, we don't have the money, and the system is this way, the system is that way, and stuff. Okay, so I've been through this so many times and stuff. So the point that I'm sharing candidly is that when you have an idea or you have something which you want to do for the community, please do not take no for an answer and keep pushing it, because if you were going to look at the limitations where people come up and say, this is the way our community works, this is the way the management has been working, this is the way the systems are working and stuff, all that may be great, but you also have to understand this, that their systems and processes may have been working in a certain fashion, but it's always possible to kind of throw a new idea and meet the right people and present them as a team and stuff, and then things could work. So we've had our first share of meeting yesterday on some community change and stuff like that. I'm so glad that certain senior citizens have also joined in and stuff, because they're also concerned about the weather and animals and their own health and the climate situation and stuff like that. So from yesterday's practical experience, it's obvious that many a times this is thrown. The management has no money, and we are short on labor, we are short on help, and we just had our senior quit and stuff and all that. So if you're going to listen to all of that and you're not going to move forward in a positive spirit without giving it your best shot, sometimes things are not going to work. Okay, so avoid taking no for an answer and keep pushing it. So this is what we're going to be doing at our end, because the idea is mine, and ideas don't have to always be billion-dollar company ideas and stuff. Ideas can be really humble and small. Say, for example, there are some creative ideas which I find are appropriate and applicable in a community like mine. And if they're executed in a good fashion, they can be actually taken in and executed in all the parks all across Delhi NCR and the country, because they're cost effective and stuff. So the question is, will people like me hold back? I don't think so. I've already shared this that no, please do not take no for an answer, and your idea is only worth of some value and some significance if it can be executed. But just because one idea doesn't get executed doesn't mean you should not present it. Go forward and please do not take no. So jkapani@gmail.com, jastinkapani.im@gmail.com. I got to school. Take care. Enjoy your week ahead and all the best for your work. Hakuna Matata. Bye bye.